Viidakkokuja 2005 like I say, in Koivukylä, Viidakkokuja, Vantaa, Finland. This one had the lights turned off. They always turn off and they use to save energy.
2002, H71578.
8 persons, so 630 grams. It will be inspected next year, 2020.
It smells very strange.
Yeah, it does. Turning 20 years old in 2022. 5 floors. In this one, floor indicator works. The previous one, it doesn't.
Yeah.
There's the old logo on the connection.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in bad shape like this.
It's been vandalized. The floor 1 button has been pressed many times.
Yeah.
That's usually on Sigma elevators. The first floor button gets pressed many times.
Yeah.
And then it gets like that. Should be the button should be replaced with a spare part. It's pretty warm inside it.
Yeah.
They should have like cooling fans inside it.
Yeah. It's pretty piles with that.
This should have air conditioning.
Yeah.
Maybe in the future they will install the air conditioners.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's